Misty here. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I have my May update for Alice in Wonderpan. This was created by Allie, who is Wonder in Allie Land. It's a Fantastic Ladies collab. We started on March the 5th, 2022, and it ends on March the 4th, 2023, and you choose as many or as little products as you want, and I believe there are 20 or 21 prompts, maybe 19. I have been working, well, I rolled in 4 is what I should say. But yeah, so let's talk about it. So we'll start with the first prompt on my list, and that's Alice, a childlike product, scent, packaging, etc. And I brought in this. This is the Rare Beauty Blush in Hope. My goal is to finish this. I ended up using this 6 times. It's very pretty. It's a really kind of neutrally blush. So really, really pretty. I'm enjoying using it. I didn't weigh it, so we'll just have to go by windowing. But yeah, 6 times. I don't think 6 times is going to do it, clearly, but we'll keep it moving. Next was Who Are You? A product you have no idea where it came from or where you got it. And I had brought in the Alamar gloss for this. You guys, when I tell you the very next day I went to use that gloss, it had gone off. And not just gone off a little. I mean, like, it smelled bad. It tasted bad. It was awful. So that went in the garbage. I may try to bring something else in its place, but as of right now, I can't really think of anything that would work. The next the next prompt is why. Sometimes I believed as many as 6 impossible things before breakfast. A product with an impossible goal. I brought in this. This is my Moira bronzer in Golden Glow, and my goal is to wear off the pattern, and I think this may take me a minute. This was brand new when I brought it in. I think I took pictures, but I honestly can't remember. But there is this disturbance. I've used this 10 times. It's really pretty. It's really lovely. It's what I have on today mixed with the Too Faced bronzer. So, jeez. We'll see how long that takes. And then last but not least was Not All Who Wonder Are Lost, a product you discovered by accident, and I brought in these. These are the Makeup Revolution Jake Jamie Watermelon Under Eye Patches. This is what they look like. I've used 12 pair. I think I've used a couple more than that, but I don't know, and I'm not going to count them. So my goal is to finish these. When these are done, I bought some reusable ones that I'm really excited to try because I would much rather use my own serum or my own eye cream under my eye than something like this because I find these to be a little bit drying. I don't find these to be hydrating whatsoever. So we have not met any goals. So, excuse me. We're going to roll in a couple. So I'm going to roll in an extra one for the Alamar lip gloss. I've already rolled in Off With Her Head, a hair care item, and I brought in the Not Your Mother Scalp Scrub. I literally just put that in my shower yesterday, so there's no use on it whatsoever, but I have weighed it. So next update, we will weigh that, and that will be one that is moving along with this. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I think I have 14, and we'll roll in 2. So 1 through 14 on my pretty random app. Oh, it's already there. Let me clear my history. Okay, 3, right? Is that what I said? 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's do the last 2. 12 is We're All Mad Here, a product that drove another painter crazy, or a shout out to that painter. 13, no, that was, wait, what? That was 13, 12. It's no use going back to yesterday because I was a different person then. A product you won't repurchase when finished. I have no idea what that's going to be. And then 2, 6, 6. Painting the rose red, a red nail polish. Okay, so right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. For this one, okay. So we got. I apologize. They're mowing, but what are you gonna do? Painting the town. Oh my gosh, I keep saying painting the town. Painting the Roses Red is a red nail polish, and I am not bringing in a red nail polish. I don't do pedicures at home because I literally cannot bend over after having back surgery. No, I mean like literally. The one time I tried to do one, I was stuck, bent over for a good 20 minutes. I can literally feel like this kind of slipping out of place. It's not comfortable, so I go to the salon and get my nails done. So it doesn't make any sense for me to roll in a red nail polish, but I'm gonna roll in a red lip balm. So this is one from Ulta. I can't tell if it's like strawberries or cherry. Because to me it smells like those Valentine's heart suckers with Mickey and Minnie Mouse. I don't even know if they still make them, but I can remember them as a kid and maybe up to like 10 years ago. During Valentine's Day, they had the heart suckers and they had Mickey and Minnie on the package. So I think it reminds me of that. Or it reminds me of those little watermelon candies that, not watermelon, strawberry candies that are wrapped in like a strawberry. Do they even still make those? Because those were flipping good. Anyway, my goal is going to be to finish this. I'm not going to track usage on this because it'll set out by my couch. So, but yeah, my goal is to finish that. It's no use going back to yesterday because I was a different person then. A product you won't repurchase when finished with it. So I'm going to bring in this. This is the Makeup Revolution Line Fix Under Eye Primer. I bought this on the recommendation of Taylor Wynn. She said it worked beautifully under her eyes to smooth out the lines. I haven't found that to be the case for me. I honestly think this is just like the e.l.f. Poreless Putty, but in a jar, like an eye jar, because it just doesn't blur. And I've tried a little bit of it. I've tried a lot of it. I've tried it, you know, to let it set and then put something on it. See, it's blurring on my hand, but why doesn't it do that on my under eye? Anyway, my goal is going to be to use this. Let me do 5 more times. And if I like it, then I'll keep it. And if I don't, then I'm going to declutter it. So this will be in for 5 uses. And then last but not least, we're all mad here, a product that drives another planner crazy. So this was from Danny. She sent this to me specifically for this prompt. This is a Milk blush stick. I think it's like a blush and lip. The issue with this is you cannot move it up or down. It doesn't move. It just doesn't move. And it's not, I can't even get any color off of it. You guys see how hard I'm pushing, right? It's just, ugh, the formula is gross. But I'm going to put it in for 5, get some use out of it, and then it will go away. So that is it. So staying in, we have the staying in, we have the Rare Beauty in Hope, and this is the finish. The Mora bronzer, which is to wear off the pattern, and the eye patches coming in. We have the Revolution primer for 5, the Milk for 5, and then the Ulta lip balm to finish. That's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. Make sure you go check out everybody who is on the master spreadsheet. That is linked in the description box down below, along with everything else that you will need for this project. I hope you'll consider subscribing and following me over on Instagram. Yeah, I hope you have a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are. I love your faces, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.